Hey gang, Miss Hairbrush here. In this video we will be drawing and coloring this sweet kitty cat step by step. You will need a pencil with an eraser, a black marker, pick any color for the collar, I'm using blue, pink for the nose, green for the eyes, yellow and orange for the tag. First, give yourself some pencil guides. The ears are triangles, nice and big. His whole head is this big, and then two more head lengths for the body. Just put a little line right there. You can start with your pencil if you want to erase, but I am jumping in with black marker. Draw the top of his head with quick, small strokes. Now the triangles need a little rounded tip at the top there, and then this little bump at the bottom of the ear. This makes it look like a real cat ear. Now just do the same thing on the other side. I am using the tracing page from my coloring book so you can see how it all fits together. Make the sides of his face with the short strokes again, but don't go all the way around yet. Find the middle of the head and go down to about right here. Draw a little triangle nose, just like this, and then add the nostrils just like that. Two big swoops make his cheeks. He is a happy cat. The eyes are easy, let's do them together. A big arch and then connect it. Okay, same thing on the other side. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. Then draw a circle inside and a small circle in the top right. Finish the mouth. Okay, so far so good. Let's do the body. Draw a long, soft curve with those same short strokes to the line that you made earlier. Same thing on the other side. These little strokes make him look like he's furry. Now draw the insides of his legs like this. You can't mess this up, so don't worry about it. If it looks a little bit different than mine, that is okay. The feet are little balls like this. Every part of a cat is cute, but the feet, extra cute. Then make his little toes by drawing 3 curved lines like this. Now his tummy, same thing, short little furry lines. Make it a little bit bigger than his legs, just like that. Good. Now his haunches, because he's sitting, these are a little bit bigger still. And his tail, all with the little strokes again. Three long whiskers on each cheek, right like that, and the other side. And lines straight up from his nose to finish that. Draw a collar under his chin. Very easy. And you can add a little tag or a charm if you'd like. I'm doing one shaped like a fish. Add a few hairs inside his ears. time to color. First, we're using just black, but you want to fill in the eyes. Don't fill in the little circle, leave that white. Lots of cats have an M shape on their forehead, so let's do that. See, looks just like a big letter M. And draw some fur on the cheeks. Now just color in the outside parts black. Leave the inside parts white. All this. Again, I say, leave the inside parts white and the ears. Forgot that part. It's easy to change the color and make this drawing look like your own cat. That would be fun. I have 2 gray tiger cats at home, Derek and Rodney. House cats are very close to actual tigers, 95% the same genetics. And they come in all colors and shapes. Who does this look like? This cat is floating on a piece of wood in the ocean. That's because his name is Unsinkable Sam, and he survived the sinking of 3 different ships during World War II. Amazing. And this cool cat is Colonel Meow, who held the record for the longest hair in 2014. I'm sure he's celebrating on the inside. Here's an Egyptian papyrus, thousands of years old, and it's a drawing of cats and rats having a war just for fun, because people have liked cats forever. Very good job. Now color the sides and the haunches and his tail all black, but leave the middle white. I forgot to tell you that if you have a gray color, get that out because we're going to need that for some shading. If you don't have gray, you can use your pencil, or if you're using crayons or colored pencils, you can use your black, but just don't press as hard. Add a little shading down both sides of the legs and around the feet. This step makes your drawings look more real. shade his tummy. And around the tip of his tail. Around the cheeks. Under the eyes. On the sides of his nose. On the top of his eyes. And some inside the ears. Just like that, real easy. Now let's add some real color. Color the eyes in with green. And pink for the nose. Cute. Some gray to his chin too, because I think that would look good. Then color his collar. Oops, I missed some spots. That's better. And color the tag all yellow with a few strokes of orange to make it look shiny. All done! What a cutie! Each drawing looks a little different. Here's the last one I did. The face is a little different each time, just like cats in real life. I could pinch these little cheeks. See you next time. Out or in or out. I'm never sure where I want to lay about. Little wet feet tiptoeing into trouble, knocking things off tables, yowing for some cuddles. Some say I got an attitude, I say I'm just a cat. Love you more than anything, and then I attack. Chicken, and give me some fishies. I want the good stuff, don't play me with the friskies.